Welcome to our webinar on floating wetlands. Today, we'll explore how these innovative systems can enhance biodiversity and improve water quality, particularly in urban environments. Floating wetlands offer numerous ecological benefits and can be seamlessly integrated into urban designs. Floating wetlands are artificial islands that float on the surface of water bodies. They consist of a buoyant structure supporting a variety of plants that grow hydroponically, with their roots extending into the water below. Developed to address environmental challenges such as water pollution and habitat loss, floating wetlands are now being integrated into urban settings to provide nature-based solutions. Applications of floating wetlands in urban Australia. Floating wetlands can be installed in urban ponds, lakes, and reservoirs to improve water quality and aesthetics. For example, Phytogreen installed multiple floating wetland modules at Alphington Wetlands in Victoria. These modules provide safe bird habitats, water denitrification, and a great visual impact, enhancing the ecological health and aesthetic appeal of the urban water body. In October 2022, Victoria experienced one of its most significant flood events on record. The floating wetlands adapt seamlessly to rising and falling floodwaters, remaining undamaged. Floating wetlands are also effective in treating stormwater runoff in retention and detention basins. They help reduce pollutants such as nutrients, heavy metals, and suspended solids from stormwater before it reaches downstream water bodies. Projects like those in Salisbury, South Australia, demonstrate the effectiveness of floating wetlands in urban stormwater management. Ideal for recreational areas. Floating wetlands can be used in park lakes and golf course ponds to maintain clean and clear water. They help control algae growth by shading the water and absorbing excess nutrients, which enhances the aesthetic and recreational value of these areas. For example, Phytogreen installed floating wetland modules at Yangyin Cemetery in Victoria to enhance water quality and create a visually attractive environment. In agricultural areas, floating wetlands can be installed in irrigation ponds and drainage channels to manage nutrient loads and improve water quality. They help mitigate nutrient and metal contaminants from agricultural runoff, enhancing the overall health of the water bodies. Providing natural safe habitats. Floating wetlands support biodiversity and habitat restoration in wetlands and marshes. They mimic the processes and ecosystem services of natural wetlands, and are extremely valuable in revegetation projects, establishing healthy waterways and creating safe habitats for waterfowl, turtles, fish, and other aquatic life. Aquaponic farms or fisheries could utilize in floating wetlands to assist with commercial spawning, protection from predator birds, and heat reduction. They provide a natural habitat for fish and other aquatic species, enhancing the productivity and sustainability of aquaponic systems. The diverse biofilms feed microfauna like juvenile fish and shrimp. One of the key advantages of Phytogreen's floating wetlands is their ability to support diverse plant species. Phytogreen places a strong emphasis on species diversity to create added benefits. For example, at Belvoir Lake, indigenous aquatic, semi-aquatic, and marginal species were carefully selected. These plants produce foliage stratification, creating multiple layers of habitat for different fauna, from insects to turtles and waterfowl. Each plant species develops a unique root system, influencing how they interact with aquatic biofilms and contribute to water purification. Ecological interactions and water purification. Biofilms, composed of microscopic species like bacteria, play a crucial role in water treatment. Plants exude sugars through their roots, attracting bacteria and fungi. These biofilms form synergistic relationships with the plants, regulating water use and nutrient absorption. They also capture and extract nutrients, toxins, and gases from the water column, purifying the water. Above the water, vegetation communities are grouped into guilds of plants. These stratified foliage layers develop a range of habitats for various fauna, including insects, turtles, and bird life. Floating wetlands cool and shade the water columns, regulating algae growth. Plants absorb heavy metals and deposit them in their foliage, reducing pollutants in the water. They also produce seeds, pollen, and shelter for aquatic inhabitants and migratory species. The benefits of floating wetlands extend beyond the water's surface. Plants spread seeds to the water body perimeter, bolstering and revegetating banks. This expansion of ecological services enhances the wider landscape. Healthy water bodies are dynamic, multi-layered, and diverse systems. Floating wetlands offer flexibility and adaptability, making them a valuable tool for environmental management. The unique benefits of Phytogreen's floating wetlands. Proudly Australian-made and designed by expert horticulturists. Our systems offer several unique benefits that set them apart. One of the standout features of Phytogreen's floating wetlands is our commitment to using a diverse range of plant species. This diversity creates more complex and resilient ecosystems, providing better ecological benefits and enhancing the overall health of the water body. Additionally, our floating wetlands are capable of 100% surface growth, as they are all foam-based, creating better coverage and more added benefits over time. We also avoid using plastics that can break down over time, offering a more sustainable and ecologically friendly solution. Our floating wetlands feature enhanced root penetration and greater surface area for biofilm development, resulting in more efficient water purification and pollutant removal. Additionally, our systems are designed with optimal buoyancy levels, ensuring stability and durability in various water conditions. The ease of installation and maintenance makes Phytogreen's floating wetlands a cost-effective and sustainable choice for a wide range of applications. Floating wetlands can be implemented in both urban and rural settings. They have the potential for large-scale projects, addressing various environmental challenges. Future research and development will continue to improve these systems, making them even more effective and versatile. In conclusion, floating wetlands are a powerful solution for enhancing biodiversity and improving water quality in urban environments. By integrating these systems into urban planning, architects and urban developers can create sustainable, resilient, and vibrant cities that prioritize the well-being of both people and the environment. Professionals from various fields are encouraged to explore and implement these innovative systems to create healthier, more sustainable urban environments. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this webinar informative and inspiring. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, please feel free to reach out.